Okay, if this phone don't die, this positive goes to this battery's negative. That goes to the wicker bill. From the wicker bill to the positive end, negative. These are the two that deal with the trolling motor. Alright, this will be part of the Bass Boat series, but this is also going to help me and my little pea brain remember stuff so I don't tear shit up when I go to put it in the water. We're almost there, fellas. Almost. Good morning. Welcome back again. I got the second battery for the 24-volt system for the trolling motor, and I got the new relay. It's in. I need to put an end on that line right there, and I'm going to put a different style of end on the negative terminal. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these, and this little deal right here is a pellet that you place inside the terminal, and then you heat everything up with the old blowtorch and then stick the wire in it, and it's supposed to be good. But first of all, I need to find out a little something. Whoops. Okay, it will fit that one, so I gotta mess around with that terminal and make it to where it'll fit. So I got a few things to do yet, and then I don't know, on a second video I think I'll have a unboxing of that trolling motor I bought, just to kind of get the channel out there through that particular venue. Anyhow, I'm going to get to work on these terminals, and I will get right back to you. Okay, I've got the deal. I've got it hooked up to the relay. The solder pellets work like a charm, so that's connected, and then this is my ground that I just heated up, and then after I did that I crimped it. That's going to go here to that negative. This is the positive feed. It goes to this battery. The two are connected positive to negative, making this a 24-volt system. And so pretty much this is ready to be utilized once everything's connected back together. The next project, I think I'm going to go ahead and we'll get the trolling motor set up, and then I'll get back to work on replacing these bin covers because they're bad. That's busted. The wood underneath is, within is no good, so this door will have to be completely replaced, which is, I'm learning, and I still have to get that one because I never did get this connected back up. I'm still trying to find the happy medium with it, but it at least fits, and that's what matters. Anyway, alright, I'll get back to work. It may be all I do today. It just depends. Like I said, that big deal's done. I've also got to connect the oiler line, or disconnect it, and put a screw in it because it's not going to be used anymore, because we're just going to go ahead and mix the fuel. That way I can idle and not have to worry about the engine not getting enough oil. So, and then that one charged up, and it charged up rather quickly, and that runs pretty much, that's what that battery there starts the boat and runs the tilt and stuff. And then I added, I put the transom saver on it. I got it from Academy, and that was the last one they had too, and it looked like somebody had bought it and returned it, and I'm just thankful that it was all there. Sometimes you're not so lucky. And yeah, I think that was it. Anyway, I think today will be brought to a close, unless I do something else, and then I'll put it on video. Anyway, see you soon. Alright, and I've got that ground wire now connected. So the only thing left is the positive terminal, and I am not going to do that just yet. So anyway, that electrical system's good. And then got to research a little more on that battery charger that I got from Minn Kota to see if in fact you leave it connected or how that works. Anyway, I think that's going to do it for today. So I'll catch you next time.